गुरवे नमः। नामश्रेष्ठं मनोऽपि शशिपुत्रम् अत्र स्वरूपम् रूपं दर्शनमुरुपुरीं माधुरीं गोष्ठवाटिम् राधाकुण्डं गिरिवरमहो राधिका माधवांशः प्राप्तो यस्य प्रकृतकृपया श्रीगुरुं तं नतोऽस्मि। नमस्ते गुरुदेवाय सर्वसिद्धिप्रदायिने सर्वमङ्गलरूपाय सर्वानन्दवृदायिने यं प्रावृतमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातराजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मानतोऽस्मि। हे श्रीगुरो ज्ञानदीनबन्धो स्वानन्ददाहतः करुणैकसिन्धो वृन्दावनासीन हितावतारः प्रसीद राधाः प्रणय प्रचार रायस्वो जगन्नाथ गुरो संसारवन्निना दग्धं मां कालदष्टं च त्वामहं शरणं गतः राधा सन्मुख संशक्तिं सखी संगनिवासिनीं तामं सततं वन्दे गुरुरूपां परां सखीम्। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। सततम अस्मदीय गुरुपाद पद्म पृष्ठ गुरु शिष्य भक्तिदानंद नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज Reddy Swami Shisham Bhaktivedanta Dandi Maharaj Namnishta Santa Shri Aniruddhas Prabhuji and all the Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis, please accept my humble obeisances. So we are discussing Srimad Bhagavatam. Taheta Rushayo Vedam Swam Swam Vyasannakadam Shishai Prashishai Prashishai Vedaste Shafino Bhavan. So we are discussing that Vyasadeva had 4 disciples. Paila, Vaishampayan, Jaimini and सुमंतु. सो पहला पूर्वोक्त पहला ऋषियों ने जिन जिन वेदों में प्रवीणता प्राप्त की थी उन्होंने अपनी अपनी उसी शाखा को और भी अनेक भागों में विभक्त कर दिया. सो दिस पहला obtained perfection in one type of Veda. So all these 4 disciples they further expanded their Vedic branches. So ये विभक्त वेद पुनः शिष्य प्रशिष्य की पराक्रम परंपरा क्रम से बहुत सी शाखाओं में विभाजित हो गए. So here there are branches and sub branches. तयेत ऋषयो वेदं स्वं स्वं व्यसन्नैकदा शिष्यै प्रशिष्यै तशिष्यैर्वेदास्ते शाखिनो भवन्. They all these Rishaya learned scholars Vedam, the respective Vedas, Swam, in their own interested matters. Vyasyan rendered Anekada. Hare Krishna. हाँ. वो किधर रहते हैं? विशाल. मुझे मालूम है वो बाजू वाला है उसका. हाँ. Anekada, many Shishya disciples, Prashishya grand disciples, Tashishya great grand disciples, Vedaha te followers of the respective Vedas, Shakinaha different branches, Abhavan thus became. All these learned scholars in their turn render their interested Vedas unto their many disciples, grand disciples and great grand disciples, and thus the respective branches of the followers of the Vedas came into being. The original source of knowledge is the Vedas. There are no branches of knowledge, either mundane or transcendental, which do not belong to the original text of the Vedas. They have simply been developed into different branches. They were originally rendered by great, respectable, and learned professors. In other words, the Vedic knowledge, broken into different branches by different disciplic succession, has been distributed all over the world. No one, therefore, can claim independent knowledge beyond the Vedas. तएव वेदा दुर्मैर् ध्यायन्ते पुरुषैर्यथा एवं चकार भगवान व्यासा कृपणवत्सला. ये विभक्त वेद भी केवल मेधावी व्यक्तियों की ही बोधगम्य थे. अतः अल्प बुद्धि और कम स्मरण शक्ति वाले लोग भी इन्हें समझ सके, ऐसा विचार करके दीनवत्सल कृपालु भगवान श्री व्यासदेव ने इन वेदों का उसी प्रकार विभाग किया. तो एव वेदा दुर्मेधैर् ध्यायन्ते पुरुषैर्यथा एवं चकार भगवान व्यासः कृपणवत्सलः. Say that eva certainly Vedaha, the book of knowledge, Durmedhai, by the less intelligent, by the less intellectual, Dharyante can assimilate, Purushai by the man, Yatha as much as, Evam thus, Chakara edited, Bhagavan the powerful, Vyasa the great sage Vyasa, Krupana Vatsala very kind to the ignorant mass. Thus the great sage Vyasadeva, who is very kind to the ignorant masses, edited the Vedas so they might be assimilated by less intellectual men. The Veda is one, and the reasons for its division in many parts are explained herewith. The seed of all knowledge, or the Veda, is not a subject matter which can be easily understood by any ordinary man. There is a stricture that no one should try to learn the Vedas who is not a qualified Brahmana. This stricture has been wrongly interpreted in so many ways. A class of men who claim Brahminical qualification simply by their birthright in the family of Brahmana claim that the study of the Vedas is a monopoly of the Brahmana caste only. Another section of the people take this as an injustice to members of other caste who do not happen to take birth in a Brahman family. But both of them are misguided. The Vedas are subjects which had to be explained even to Brahmaji by the Supreme Lord. Therefore, the subject matter is understood by persons with exceptional qualities of goodness. Persons who are in the mode of passion and ignorance are unable to understand the subject matter of the Vedas. The ultimate goal of Vedic knowledge is Sri Krishna, the personality of Godhead. This personality is very rarely understood by those who are in the modes of passion and ignorance. In the Satyuga, everyone was situated in the mode of goodness. Gradually, the mode of goodness declined during the Treta and Dwapar Yugas, and the general mass of people became corrupt. In the present age, the mode of goodness is almost nil, and so for the general mass of people, the kind-hearted, powerful sage Srila Vyasadeva divided the Veda in various ways so that they may be practically followed by less intelligent persons in the modes of passion and ignorance. It is explained in the next sloka as follows. स्त्री शूद्र द्विज बंधूनां त्रयीन श्रुति गोचरा कर्म श्रेयसि मूढ़ानां श्रेयं भवेदिह इति भारतमाख्यानं कृपया मुनिना कृतम्. स्त्री शूद्र तथा द्विज बंधु अर्थात सावित्री, पतित ब्राह्मण, क्षत्रिय और वैश्य कुल में उत्पन्न व्यक्तियों का वेद त्रयी रुक यजु और साम के श्रवण पे अधिकार नहीं है. अतः इस संसार में वेदोक्त शुभ कर्मों से अनजान लोगों का मंगल किस प्रकार हो, ये सोचकर महर्षि श्री वेदव्यास ने कृपा पूर्वक महाभारत नामक इतिहास की रचना की. Stri, the woman class. Shudra, the laboring class. Dvija Bandhunam, of the friends of the twice born. Trai, the three sacrificial Vedas. Na Shruti Gochara, not allowed to be heard. Karma Shreyasi, in the successful execution of ritual duty. Mudhanam, of the less intelligent. Shreya, supreme benefit. Evam, thus, Bhavet, achieved. Iha, by this. Iti, thus thinking. Bharatam, the great Mahabharata. Akhyanam, historical facts. Krupaya, out of great mercy. Munina, by the Muni. Kritam is completed. Out of compassion, the great sage thought it wise that this should enable men to achieve the ultimate goal of life. Thus, he compiled the great historical narration called the Mahabharata for women, laborers, and friends of the twice born. The friends of the twice born families are those who are born in the families of Brahmanas, Kshatriyas, and Vaishyas, or the spiritually cultured families, but who themselves are not equal to their forefathers. Such descendants are not recognized as such for want of purificatory achievements. The purificatory activities begin even before the birth of a child, and the seed giving reformatory process is called Garbhadan Sanskar. One who has not undergone such Garbhadan Sanskar or spiritual family planning is not accepted as being an actual twice born family. The Garbhadan Sanskar is followed by other purificatory processes, out of which the sacred thread ceremony is one. This is performed at a time of spiritual initiation. After this particular sanskara, one is rightly called twice born. One birth is calculated during the seed giving sanskara, and the second birth is calculated at the time of spiritual initiation. One who has been able to undergo such important sanskaras can be called a bona fide twice born. If the father and mother do not undertake the process of spiritual family planning and simply beget children out of passion only, their children are called Dvijabandhus. These Dvijabandhus are certainly not as intelligent as the children of the regular twice born families. The Dvijabandhus are classified with the Shudras and the woman class, who are by nature less intelligent. The Shudras and the woman class do not have to undergo any sanskara save and accept the ceremony of marriage. The less intelligent classes of men, namely women, Shudras, and unqualified sons of the higher class caste, are devoid of necessary qualifications. Understand the purpose of transcendental Vedas. Actually, here, when Prabhupada is telling women, Shudras, and disqualified sons of higher caste, it doesn't mean actually women are less intelligent. So the Gurudev again and again pointed out, he said that anyone is as intelligent as Shamrani Didi, or Uma Didi, or this is not applying to the spiritual women. This is not applying to the devotee women actually. Especially even the men who think that they're enjoyers, they're actually women. Understand? Because Jiva is Prakriti by nature. So women actually means all the living entities who are averse to the one, they are actually categorized as women. And those who are spiritually conscious, they're actually categorized as men, spiritual beings. Understand? So this, don't take it wrong that women are less intelligent. That is an incorrect thinking. Women are not less intelligent because you have the example, burning example of Shamarani Didi, who is such an expert speaker, highly knowledgeable in spiritual Siddhanta. You can see from her that women are not intelligent, not less intelligent. They are sometimes even much more intelligent. I have seen very illustrious women. Even when I was working for a company, Chase Manhattan Bank, my boss was Maureen O'Neill. Oh, she was so intelligent. My first job also, I see Sangeeta. She was so intelligent. She was so intelligent. So like that. I've seen very many intelligent women in my life, in professional career, in spiritual life also. So don't think women are less intelligent. Hmm. For them, the Mahabharata was prepared. The purpose of the Mahabharata is to administer the purpose of the Vedas. And therefore, within this Mahabharata, the summary Veda of Bhagavad Gita is placed. The less intelligent are more interested in stories than in philosophy. And therefore, the philosophy of the Vedas in the form of the Bhagavad Gita is spoken by the Lord Sri Krishna. Vyasadeva and Lord Krishna are both on the transcendental plane, and therefore they collaborated in doing good to the fallen souls of this age. The Bhagavad Gita is the essence of all Vedic knowledge. It is the first book of the spiritual values, as the Upanishads are. The Vedanta philosophy is the subject matter of study. Hmm. The Vedanta philosophy is subject matter for study by the spiritual graduates. Only the postgraduate spiritual student can enter into the spiritual or devotional service of the Lord. Science and the great professor is the Lord Himself in the form of Lord Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And persons who are empowered by Him can initiate others in the transcendental loving service of the Lord. So, this actually, the thing is, Srila Gurudev also told, he said, gave the example of Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi was a very intelligent lady. She was the Prime Minister of India for so many terms. Then also, Jhansi Ki Rani, she was a very chivalrous queen. So her name is etched in golden letters in the history of annals of India. Also, Ahilyabai Holkar, she was such a pious queen, amazing queen. Her husband died, she took over the reins of the Indore province, and she renovated so many temples in South India. So don't tell me that women are less intelligent. I have umpteen examples of very intelligent, very capable, and very, very spiritual, and extremely great women. Even from ancient times, Gargi, Maitreyi, also Purnamasi Devi, all the gopis are also women. Understand? So basically, women are not less intelligent. Especially women have much greater qualification for spiritual life because of their mood of surrender and dedication. They are embodiment of self-surrender, self-sacrifice. So the ability to sacrifice is exclusive to the women. So therefore, they are not less intelligent. And they have much higher spiritual quotient. In any Bhagavad Katha or any Hari Katha, only women are mainly attending. So like that. And even you see the results of the 10th standard, 12th standard, all the academic exams, women are toppers. एवं प्रवृत्तस्य सदा भूतानां श्रेयसि द्विजा सर्वात्मा येनापि यदा नातुष्य दुर्दृगं ततः नाति प्रसीद दुद्रया सरस्वत्या तटेषु वितर्कयन् वितस्थ इदं प्रोवाच धर्मवीर। हे शनकादि ऋषियों, इस प्रकार श्री व्यासदेव अपनी संपूर्ण शक्ति के साथ सदैव प्राणियों के हित साधन में ही लगे रहे। बहुत से उद्देश्य तथा बहुत से कर्मानुष्ठानों द्वारा भी जब धर्मवेत्ता श्री व्यासदेव का मन संतुष्ट नहीं हुआ, तब वे अत्यधिक खिन्न होकर सरस्वती नदी के तट पर निर्जन में एकांत भाव से पवित्र होकर बैठ गए और अपने मन की अप्रसन्नता के कारण का चिंतन करते करते अपने आप से इस प्रकार कहने लगे। एवं प्रवृत्तस्य सदा भूतानां श्रेयसि द्विजा सर्वात्मकेनापि यदा नातुष्य हृदयं ततः। एवं thus प्रवृत्तस्य, one is engaged in sada, always, bhutanam, of a living beings, shreyasi, in the ultimate good, dvijaha, or twice born, sarvatmakenapi, by all means. Yada, when, na, not. Atushat, become satisfied. Hridayam, mind. Tataha, at that time. O twice born Brahmanas, still his mind was not satisfied. Although he engaged himself in working for the total welfare of all people. Shri Vyasadeva was not satisfied with himself. Although he had prepared literatures of Vedic value for the all around welfare of the general mass of people, it was expected that he would be satisfied by all such activities. But ultimately, he was not satisfied. नाति प्रसीददुध्रया सरस्वत्या तटेषु च वितर्कयन् विविक्तस्थ इदं चोवाच धर्मवित् no not ati prasidat, very much satisfied. Hridaya, at heart, at heart. Saraswatya, of the river Saraswati. Tate, on the bank of. Shuchau, being purified. Vitarkayan, having considered. Viviktasthaha, situated in a lonely place. Idamcha, also this. Uvacha, said. Dharmavit, one who knows what religion is. Thus the sage, being satisfied at heart, at once began to reflect because he knew the essence of religion. And he said within himself, the sage began to search out the cause of not being satisfied at heart. Perfection is never attained until one is satisfied at heart. This satisfaction of heart has to be searched out beyond matter. Dhrutavate nahi, Dhrutavrate nahi maya chandamsi guru agnaya. Dhrutavrate nahi maya chandamsi guru agnaya manina nirvelikena gruhitanchanuशासनम. मैंने निष्कपट रूप से ब्रह्मचर्य व्रतों का पालन करते हुए निश्चित रूप से वेद गुरुवर्ग और यज्ञ अग्नि की पूजा की है तथा उनके अनुशासन का भी अनुसरण किया है भारत व्यपदेशेन कामनायार्थ प्रदर्शिता दृश्यते यत धर्मादि स्त्री शूद्रादिरपि वृत्तम्। इसके अतिरिक्त महाभारत की रचना के छल से मैंने गुरु शिष्य परंपरा क्रम से प्राप्त वेद के अर्थ को सरल सहज रूप में प्रकाशित किया जिससे अन्यों की तो बात ही क्या स्त्री शूद्रादि भी धर्म अर्थ काम और मोक्ष इस चतुर्वर्ग साधक धर्म को पालन करने की योग्य हो जाते हैं। द्रुतव्रतेन हि मया छन्दांसि गुरु अग्नया मानिना निर्विलेकेन गृहीतं चानुशासनम् भारतव्यपदेशेन ह्याम्नायार्थश्च प्रदर्शिता दृश्यते यत्र धर्मादि स्त्रीशूद्रादिभिरपियुत Vritavratena, under strict disciplinary vow. He is certainly Maya by me, Chandamsi, the Vedic hymns, Gurava, the spiritual masters, Agnaya, the sacrificial fire, Manitaha, properly worshipped, Nirvyalikena, without pretense, Grunitamcha, also accepted, Anushasanam, traditional discipline, Bharata, the Mahabharata, Vyapadeshena, by compilation of, E, certainly. Amnaya Artha, import of disciplic succession. Sha and other ha proper import of disciplic succession. Sha and Pradarshita properly explained. Drishyate by which by what is necessary where dharma adi the path of religion, Sri Shudra Adidhi Api, given by women, Shudras, etc., Utter spoken. I have under strict disciplinary vows unpretentiously worshipped the Vedas, the spiritual masters, and the altar of sacrifice. I also abided by the rulings and have shown the import of disciplic succession through the explanation of the Mahabharata, by which even women, Shudras, and others, friends of the twice born, can see the path of religion. No one can understand the import of the Vedas without having undergone a strict disciplinary vow and disciplic succession. The Vedas, spiritual masters, and sacrificial fire must be worshipped by the desiring candidate. All these intricacies of Vedic knowledge are systematically presented in the Mahabharata for the understanding of the women class, the laborer class, and the unqualified members of the Brahmana, Kshatriya, or Vaishya families. In this age, the Mahabharata is more essential than the original Vedas. So you see that Mahabharata is considered more valuable because there is Vishnu Sahasranam in it. तथापि पतमे देहो ह्यात्मा चैवात्मना विभु असंपन्नैवा भाति ब्रह्म वर्चस्व सत्तमाम। किंतु हाय, वेदों का विभाग और महाभारत की रचना करके भी देह स्थित मेरी आत्मा वस्तुतः तपस्या और ज्ञानादि के द्वारा परिपूर्ण तथा अतिश्रेष्ठ वेदादि अध्ययन के द्वारा ब्रह्म तेज से संपन्न होकर भी स्वरूपता अभावग्रस्त और अपूर्ण काम के समान जान पड़ती है। Now Vyasadeva is telling that I divided the Vedas into 4 parts, many branches and sub-branches. I also compiled Mahabharata, but my soul is not happy. I performed great austerity and I also engaged in a pursuit of knowledge. Still, I studied Vedas also. I'm endowed with the knowledge of Brahma. Still, I'm feeling incomplete. It seems that my mission is unfulfilled. Why is so? This is a dilemma of philosophy. Tathapi, although, but a defect may mind, Daya, situated in the body, he certainly, Atma, living being, Cha and Eva even, Atmana, myself, Vibhu, sufficient, Asamon, Asampanna, wanting in, Eva Abhati, it appears to be, Brahma Varchasya, of the Vedantist, Sattama, the Supreme. I am feeling incomplete, though I myself am fully equipped with everything required by the Vedas. Undoubtedly, Srila Vyasadeva was complete in all the details of Vedic achievements. Purification of the living beings submerged in matter is made possible by the prescribed activities in the Vedas. But the ultimate achievement is different. Unless it is attained, the living being, even though fully equipped, cannot be situated in the transcendentally normal stage. Shri Vyasadeva appeared to have lost the clue and therefore felt dissatisfaction. किं वा भागवता धर्म न प्रायेण निरूपिता प्रिया परमहंसानां तयेव हे अच्युतः प्रिया। अब तक मैंने भगवान को प्राप्त करने वाले तथा परमहंस अर्थात वर्णाश्रम धर्म से अतीत चारों वर्णाश्रमों के गुरु महाभागवत वैष्णव के प्रिय भागवत धर्म का भलीभांति निरूपण नहीं किया। निश्चय ही यही मेरे चित्त की खिन्नता का कारण है, क्योंकि नित्य भागवत धर्म ही भगवान श्री विष्णु का प्रिय है। किंबा और भागवता धर्म डिवोशनल एक्टिविटीज ऑफ द लिविंग बीइंग्स, no, not प्रायेण almost, Nirupita directed, Priya dear, Paramahansanam of the perfect beings, Te eva, that also, he, Achyuta, the infallible, Priya attractive. This may because I did not specifically point out the devotional service of the Lord, which is dear both to perfect beings and to the infallible Lord. The dissatisfaction which was being felt by Srila Vyasadeva is expressed herein in his own words. This was felt for the normal condition of the living being in the devotional service of the Lord. Unless one is fixed in the normal condition of service, neither the Lord nor the living being can become fully satisfied. The defect was felt by him when Narad Muni, his spiritual master, reached him. It is described as follows. तस्यैवखिलमात्मानं मन्यमानस्य खिद्यता कृष्णस्य नारदोऽभ्यागादाश्रमं प्रागुदाहृतम् तस्यैवखिलम् आत्मानं मन्यमानस्य खिद्यता कृष्णस्य नारदो भाग्यात् आश्रमं प्रागुदाहृतम् तस्यैवखिलमात्मानं मन्यमानस्य खिद्यता कृष्णस्य नारदो अभ्यागाद आश्रमम प्रागुदाहृतम। इस प्रकार स्वयं को पूर्ण मानकर जब श्री कृष्ण द्वैपायन वेदव्यास खिन्न हो रहे थे, तभी पूर्वोक्त सरस्वती नदी के तट पर स्थित उनके आश्रम में देवर्षि श्री नारद उपस्थित हुए। So Vasudev was concluding that his mission is incomplete. He realized that his mission is incomplete. So therefore he was becoming morose. He became quite morose that my mission has been incomplete. Then on the above mentioned bank of the Saraswati river, in his ashram, Devarshi Shri Narad arrived. So Narad Muni has arrived there on the scene, his spiritual master. Tasya, his, evam, thus, khilam, inferior, atmanam, soul, manyamanasya, thinking within the mind, khidyata, regretting, krishnasya, of Krishna Dvaipayan Vyasa, Narada Abhyagat. Narad came there. Ashramam, the cottage, Prak, before Udahurtam said. As mentioned before, Narad reached the cottage of Krishna Dvaipayan Vyas on the banks of the Saraswati, just as Vyasadeva was regretting his defects. The vacuum felt by Vyasadeva was not due to his lack of knowledge. Bhagavad Dharma is purely devotional service of the Lord, to which the monist has no access. The monist is not counted among the Paramahamsas, the most perfect of the renounced order of life. Srimad Bhagavatam is full of narrations of the transcendental activities of the personality of Godhead. Although Vasudeva was an empowered divinity, he still felt dissatisfaction because in none of his works were the transcendental activities of the Lord properly explained. The inspiration was infused by Sri Krishna directly in the heart of Vasudeva, and thus he felt the vacuum as explained above. It is definitely expressed herein that without the transcendental loving service of the Lord, everything is void. But in the transcendental service of the Lord, everything is tangible without any separate attempt at fruity work or empirical philosophical speculations. तमभिज्ञाय सहसा प्रत्युत्थायागतं मुनि पूजयामास विधिवन् नारदं सूरपूजितम्। देवता के द्वारा वंदित देवर्षि श्री नारद को वहां आया देखकर श्री व्यासदेव जी तुरंत ही अपने आसन पे खड़े हुए और उन्होंने अपने गुरु ब्रह्मा की भांति श्री नारद की यथाविधि पूजा की। When Vyasadeva saw that his Gurudev, who is worshipped even by the demigods, has come there, when he saw that his Gurudev Devarshi Narad has come there, Shri Vyasadeva immediately stood up on his seat and he worshipped Shri Narad just like he worships his own Guru Brahma. तस्यैवखिलमात्मानं मन्यमानस्य खिद्यता कृष्णस्य नारोऽभ्यागात् आश्रमं प्रागुदाहृतम् तस्य his evam thus khilam inferior atmanam soul manyamanasya thinking within the mind khidyata regretting krishnasya krishna dvaipayan vyas narada abhyagat narad came there ashramam the cottage Prague before Udahurtam said. As mentioned before, Narada reached the cottage of Krishna Dvaipayan Vyas on the banks of the Saraswati just as Vyasadeva was regretting his defects. The vacuum felt by Vyasadeva was not due to his lack of knowledge. Bhagavad Dharma is purely devotional service of the Lord to which the monist has no access. So we read this one. Tamabhigyaya sahasa pratyuthaya gatam muni pujyamasa vidhivannaradam sura pujitam. Tamabhigyaya, seeing the good fortune of his Narada's arrival, sahasa, all of a sudden, pratyuthaya, getting up, agatam, arrived at Munihi Vyasadeva, Ujayat Asha, worship Vidhivat with the same respect as offered to Vidhi Brahma. Naradam to Narad, Sura Pujitam, worshipped by the demigods. At the auspicious arrival of Sri Narad, Sri Vyasadeva got up respectfully and worshipped him, giving him veneration equal to that given to Brahma, to the creator. Vidhi means Brahma, the first created living being. He is the original student as well as professor of the Vedas. He learned it from Sri Krishna and taught Narad first. So Narad is the second Acharya in the line of spiritual disciplines of Krishna. He is the representative of Brahma and therefore he is respected exactly like Brahma, the father of all Vidhis, regulations. Similarly, all the successive disciples in the chain are also equally respected as representatives of the original spiritual master. So verse number 1.5.1 इति श्रीमद्भागवते महापुराणे ब्रह्मसूत्र भाष्ये पारमहंस्यां संहितायां वैयासिक्यां प्रथम स्कंदे नारदागमनं नाम चतुर्थोध्याय. दिस चैप्टर इज कॉल्ड अराइवल ऑफ नारद मुनि. भगवान के यश कीर्तन की महिमा और देवर्षि नारद का पूर्व चरित्र. So the glories of singing the glorifying Bhagwan. If you sing the name, form, qualities, pastimes, and fame of Bhagwan, what happens? And the previous character of Narad Muni. The character of Narad Muni has been described. What was the history of Narad Muni? Now, this particular history, Narad Muni is telling his disciple, Vyasa. Atatam sukhamasina upasinam bruhashrava devarshi praha viprashim vina pani smayanniva Shisutovacha Athatam sukhamasina upasinam bruhashrava देवर्षि प्राह विप्रर्षिं वीणा पाणि स्मयन्निव. श्री सुत गोस्वामी ने कहा, तदनंतर हाथों में वीणा को धारण करने वाले माँ यशस्वी देवर्षि श्री नारद सुखपूर्वक बैठ गए और पास में बैठे हुए विप्रर्षि श्री वेदव्यास से मृदु मंद मुस्कान के साथ कहने लगे. सूतः Suta Uvacha said, Atha, therefore, tam him, Sukham, Achina, comfortably seated, Upasinam, unto one sitting nearby. Bruhat Shravaha, greatly respected, Devarshi, the great Rishi among the gods. Praha said, Viprarshim, unto the Rishi among the Brahmanas. Veena Pani, one who carries a veena in his hand. Sumayan Eva, apparently smiling. Sugata Goswami said, thus the sage amongst the gods, Narada, comfortably seated and apparently smiling, addressed the Rishi amongst the Brahmanas, Vedavyas. Narada was smiling because he well knew the great sage Vedavyas and the cause of his disappointment. As he will explain gradually, Vyasadev's disappointment was due to insufficiency in presenting the science of devotional service. Narad knew the defect, and it was confirmed by the position of Vyasa. Shinarduvacha Parasharya Mahadhaga Bhavata Kajidatmana Paritushyati Sharira Atma Manasa Eva. Parasharya Mahadhaga Bhavata Kajidatmana Paritushyati Sharira Atma Manasa Eva. Govinda Jai Jai Gopal Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jai Govinda Jai Jai Gopal Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jai Jai Govinda Jai Jai Gopal Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jai Jai. गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधा रमण हरि गोविंद जय जय गोविंद जय जय गोपाल जय जय राधा रमण हरि गोविंद जय जय जिज्ञासितं सुसंपन्नमपि विहर्दुवाच पाराशर्य महाभाग भवता तदिदात्मना परितुष्यति शारीर आत्मा मानसे भगवान। श्री नारद ने कहा है महात्मा पराशर नंदन कि आपकी आत्मा शरीर कर्म तथा मन चिंतन सहित संतुष्ट तो है। So Narad Muni asked Vyasadeva, my dear Vyasadeva, son of Parashar Muni, is your soul is happy along with the body and mind? Means, are your activities happy? Is your meditation correct? Are you happy with your mind and body? He asked you. नारदुवाच पाराशर्य महाभाग भवता कचिदात्मना परितुष्यति शारीर आत्मा मानस एव वा. Narad Uvacha said, Parasharja, O son of Parashar, Mahabhaga, the greatly fortunate, Bhavata, you are Kachita, if it is Atmana, by the self-realization of Paritushyati, does it satisfy? Sharira, identifying the body. Atma, self. Manasa, identifying the mind. Eva, certainly. Va, and addressing Vyasadeva, the son of Parashar, Narada inquired, are you satisfied by identifying with the body or the mind as objects of self-realization? This was a hint by Narada to Vyasadeva.
regarding the cause of his despondency. Vyasadeva, as the descendant of Parashar, a greatly powerful sage, had the privilege of having a great parentage. He should not have given Vyasadeva cause for despondency. Being a great son of a great father, he should not have identified the self with the body or the mind. Ordinary man with a poor fund of knowledge can identify the body as self or the mind as self. But Vyasadeva should not have done so. One cannot be cheerful by nature unless one is factually seated in self realization, which is transcendental to the material body and mind. जिज्ञासितं सुसम्पन्नमपि ते महदद्भुतं कृतवान् भारतं यस्त्वं सर्वार्थपरिबृंहितम्। धर्मादि विषय में आपकी जो कुछ जानने की इच्छा थी उस सबको तो आपने संपूर्ण रूप से जान ही लिया है और उसका अनुष्ठान भी कर लिया है, क्योंकि आपने परमाश्चर्य में धर्म अर्थ काम और मोक्ष इन चतुर्वर्ग से परिपूर्ण महाभारत की रचना की। जिज्ञासितं सुसंपन्नमपि ते महदद्भुतं कृतवान् भारतं यस्त्वं सर्वार्थ परिबृंहितं। जिज्ञासितं, fully inquired, susampannam, well versed, api, in spite of, te, your, mahat adbhutam, great and wonderful, kritavan, prepared, bharatam, the Mahabharata, yah tvam, what you have done, sarvartha, including all sequences, paribhrumhitam, elaborately explained. Your inquiries were full and your studies were also well fulfilled. And there is no doubt that you have prepared a great and wonderful work, the Mahabharata. It is full of all kinds of Vedic sequences, elaborately explained. The despondency of Vyasadeva was certainly not due to his lack of sufficient knowledge, because as a student he had fully inquired about the Vedic literatures, as a result of which the Mahabharata is compiled with full explanation of the Veda. जिज्ञासितम् अधीतं च ब्रह्म यत्तत् सनातनम् तथापि शोचस्यात्मानम् अकृतार्थ इव प्रभो। हे तत्ववेत्ता, नित्य सनातन पर ब्रह्म स्वरूप भगवान को भी आपने पर्याप्त विचार करके प्राप्त कर दिया है, फिर भी आप स्वयं को विफल मनोरथ समझकर अकृतार्थ पुरुष के समान इसलिए शोक कर रहे हैं। जिज्ञासितम् अधीतं च ब्रह्म यत्तत् सनातनं तथापि शोचस्यात्मानम् अकृतार्थम्। जिज्ञासितम्, deliberated fully, adhitam, knowledge obtained, cha, and brahma, the absolute, yat, what, tat, that, sanatanam, eternal, tathapi, in spite of that, sochasi, lamenting, atmanam, unto the self, akrita artha, undone. You are like, Prabhu, my dear sir, you have fully delineated the subject of impersonal Brahma as well as the knowledge derived therefrom. Why should you be despondent in spite of all this, thinking that you are undone, my dear Prabhu? The Vedanta Sutra, Brahma Sutra, compiled by Sri Vyasadeva, is a full deliberation of impersonal absolute feature, and it is accepted as the most exalted philosophical exploration in the world. It covers the subject of eternity, and the methods are scholarly. So there cannot be any doubt about the transcendental scholarship of Vyasadeva. So why should we lament? Vyasuvacha astevate अस्ते ममे सर्वमिदं त्वयोक्तं तथापि नात्मा परितुष्यते मे तन्मूलमव्यक्तम् अगाधबोधं पृच्छामहे त्वात्मभवात्मभूतम्। कि व्यासदेव ने कहा, आपने मेरे विषय में जो कुछ भी कहा वह सब ठीक ही है, तथापि मेरा चित्त आत्मा प्रसन्न नहीं है। हे देवर्षि नारद, आप स्वयं को ब्रह्मा के पुत्र होने के कारण अगाध ज्ञान से संपन्न है, अतः मैं आपसे अपने चित्त की अप्रसन्नता का गूढ़ कारण जानना चाहता हूँ। व्यासोवाच, व्यास से, देयर इज एव certainly make mine sarvam all idam this Toya by you uttam uttered tathapi and yet no not atma self paritushyate does not specify me unto me thus of which moolam root avyaktam undetected radha bodham the man of unlimited knowledge Ichhamahe do inquire Tva unto you atma bhava self born atma bhutam of things. Vyasada said, all you have said about me is perfectly correct. Despite all this, I am not pacified. I therefore question you about the root cause of my dissatisfaction. For you are a man of unlimited knowledge, due to your being the offspring of one Brahma, who is self-born without mundane father and mother. In the material world, everyone is engrossed with the idea of identifying the body or the mind with the self. As such, all knowledge disseminated in the material world is related either with the body or with the mind, and that is the root cause of all despondencies. This is not always detected, even though one may be the greatest erudite scholar in materialistic knowledge. It is good, therefore, to approach a personality like Narad to solve the root cause of all despondency. Why Narad should be approached is explained below. सवै भवान वेद समस्त गुह्य मुपासितो यत् पुरुषा पुराणा परावरेशो मनसैव विश्वं सुजत्यवत्यति गुणैरसंगा। आप सभी गूढ़ रहस्यों को अवश्य ही जानते हैं, क्योंकि विश्व के कार्य कारण के नियंता तथा स्वयं अनासक्त अर्थात निर्विकार रहकर भी संकल्प मात्र से ही तीनों गुणों द्वारा इस विश्व की सृष्टि, पालन और ध्वंस करने वाले आदि पुरुष विष्णु की आप उपासना करते हैं। सवै भवान वेद समस्त गुह्यम् उपासितो यत् पुरुषा पुराणा परावरेशो मनसैव विश्वं सुजत्यवत्यति गुणैरसंगा। सवै भवान वेद समस्त गुह्यम् उपासितो यत् पुरुषः पुराण परावरेशो मनसैव विश्वं सुजति अवति अत्ति गुणैः सहा 10 वही certainly Bhavan yourself Ved no samast all inclusive guhyam confidential upasitaha devotee of yet because Purusha the personality of Godhead Puranaha the oldest for our Ishaha the controller of the material and spiritual worlds Manasa mind Eva only Vishwam the universe Sujati creates Avati Atti annihilates Gunai by the qualitative matter, Asanga another. My Lord, everything that is mysterious is known to you because you worship the Creator and destroyer of the material world and the maintainer of the spiritual world, the original personality of God, who is transcended to the three modes of material nature. A person who is 100% engaged in the service of the Lord is the emblem of all knowledge. Such a devotee of the Lord in full perfection of devotional service is also perfect by the qualification of the personality of God. As such, the eightfold perfections of mystic power, Ashtasiddhi, constitute very little of his bodily opulence. A devotee like Narad can act wonderfully by spiritual perfection, which every individual is trying to attain. The Narad is a 100% perfect living being, although not equal to the personality of God. संपर्यटनर्कैव त्रिलोकी मनश्चरो वायुरिवात्म साक्षी परावरे ब्रह्मणि धर्मतो व्रतै नातस्य मे न्यूनमलं विचक्ष्व संपर्यटनर्कैव त्रिलोकी मंतश्चरो वायुरिवात्म साक्षी परावरे ब्रह्मणि धर्मतो व्रतै स्नातस्य मे न्यूनमलं विचक्ष्व। सूर्य की भांति तीनों लोकों में परिभ्रमण करने के कारण आप सर्वदर्शी, अपने योग बल के प्रभाव से प्राणवायु के समान समस्त प्राणियों के अंतःकरण में विचरण करने के कारण आप सबकी बुद्धि की वृत्तियों के भी ज्ञाता है। अतः आप विचार करके कहिए कि योगानुष्ठान में पर ब्रह्म में योगानुष्ठान से पर ब्रह्म में और स्वाध्याय नियम आदि अर्थात व्रत ध्यान आदि के द्वारा शब्द ब्रह्म में प्रवीण होने पर भी मुझे इतना अधिक अभाव क्यों अनुभव हो रहा है। पर्यटन अर्क इव त्रिलोकीम अंतश्चरो वायुरिवात्म साक्षी परावरे ब्रह्मणि धर्मतो व्रतै स्नातस्य मे न्यूनमलं विचक्ष्व। त्वं, your goodness, Paryatan, traveling, Arkaha, the sun, Eva, light, Lokim, the three worlds, Antah, Charaha, can penetrate into everyone's heart. Vayu, Eva, as good as the all-pervading air, Atma, self-realized, Sakshi, witness. Paravare, in the matter of cause and effect, Brahmani, in the absolute, Dharmataha, under disciplinary regulations. Vratai in vow, Snatasya, having been absorbed in, may, mind, Nyunam, deficiency, Alam, clearly, Vitakshva, such as. Like the sun, your goodness can travel everywhere in the three worlds. And like the air, you can penetrate the internal region of everyone. As such, you are as good as the all-pervasive super soul. Please therefore find out the deficiency in me, despite my being absorbed in transcendence under the disciplinary regulations and laws. Transcendental realization, pious activities, worshipping the deities, charity, mercifulness, non-violence, and studying the scriptures under strict disciplinary regulations are always helpful. श्री नारद उवाच भवतानुदीत प्रायं यशो भगवतो अमलम येनैवासो न तुष्येत मन्ये तद्दर्शनम किलम। देवर्षि नारद ने कहा, हे महर्षि, आपने श्री हरि की पवित्र लीलाओं की महिमा का स्पष्ट रूप से वर्णन नहीं किया है। श्री भगवान की कथाओं के गान के अतिरिक्त जो धर्मादि के ज्ञान का अनुशीलन है, उससे भगवान श्री हरि संतुष्ट नहीं होते। इसलिए ऐसा ज्ञान अपूर्ण और हेय है, मेरा यह विचार है। श्री नारद उवाच भवतानुदित प्रायं यशो भगवतो अमलम येनैवासो न तुष्येत मन्ये तद्दर्शनं किलम। श्री नारद Uvacha said, Bhavata, by you, Anudita, Prayam, almost not placed, Yasha, glories, Bhagavataha, of the personality of Godhead, Amalam, spotless, Yena, by which, Eva, certainly, Asau, he, the personality of Godhead, Na, does not, Tusheta, be pleased, Manne, I think, Tat, that, Darshanam, philosophy, Hilam, infinity. Shri Narad said, you have not actually broadcast the sublime and spotless glories of the personality of Godhead, That philosophy which does not satisfy the transcendental senses of the Lord is considered worthless. The eternal relation of an individual soul with the Supreme Soul, personality of Godhead, is constitutionally one of being the eternal servitor of the eternal Master. The Lord has expanded himself as living beings in order to accept loving service from them, and this alone can satisfy both the Lord and the living being. The scholar as Vyasadeva has completed many explanations, many expansions of the Vedic literature, ending with the Vedanta philosophy, but none of them have been written directly glorifying the personality of Godhead. Dry philosophical speculations, even on the transcendental subject of the absolute, have very little attraction without directly dealing with the glorification of the Lord. The personality of Godhead is the last word in the transcendental realization. The absolute, realized as impersonal Brahma or localized super soul Paramatma, is less productive of transcendental bliss than the supreme perfect personal realization of his glory. The compiler of the Vedanta Darshan is Vyasadeva himself. Yet he is troubled, although he is the author. So what sort of transcendental bliss can be derived by the readers and listeners of Vedanta, which is not explained directly by Vyasadeva, the author? Herein arises the necessity of explaining Vedanta Sutra in the form of Srimad Bhagavatam by the same author. Very good. So we'll stop here, verse number 1.5.9. So that's 1.5.9. So what are the unhappy? So we'll have to discuss this tomorrow. But what's the class? So good. Correct. Correct. Someone to get anything?
श्री गुरु गौरांग गंधर्व गिरिराली राधे विनोद पाल जी की जय नितिला प्रविष्णु विष्णुपाल अष्टोत्तर श्रीमद भक्ति नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज की जय नितिला प्रविष्णु विष्णुपाल अष्टोत्तर श्रीमद भक्ति वामन गोस्वामी महाराज की जय नितिला प्रविष्णु विष्णुपाल अष्टोत्तर श्रीमद भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज की जय नितिला प्रविष्णु विष्णुपाल अष्टोत्तर श्रीमद भक्ति प्रज्ञा केशव गोस्वामी महाराज की जय नितिला प्रविष्णु ओम विष्णुपाल अष्टोत्तर श्री भक्ति संत सरस्वती गोस्वामी प्रभुपाद की जय नितिला प्रविष्णु परम भगवत परिवार श्री गुरु बाबा जी महाराज इतने प्रविष्ट श्री सच्चिदानंद भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर के जय इतने प्रविष्ट वैष्णव सार्वभौम श्री जगन्नाथ दास बाबा जी महाराज के जय श्री गौड़ीय वेदांत आचार्य श्री बलदेव भूषण प्रभु के जय श्री विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती ठाकुर के जय श्री नौतम श्रीनिवास श्याम प्रभु राय के जय श्री कृष्ण कविराज गोस्वामी प्रभु के जय श्री रूप सनातन बात गुणाश जीव गोपाल बादास गुणासर गोस्वामी प्रभु के जय श्री स्वरूप दामोदर राय रमाधारी श्री गौरव प्रसाद विंद के जय नाम आचार्य श्री हरिदास ठाकुर के जय प्रेम से श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर सत्य गौर भक्त की जय श्री अंतरद्वीप मायापुर से मातुद्वीप गोधूमद्वीप मध्यद्वीप कोलाद्वीप ऋतुद्वीप ज्ञानद्वीप मदद्वीप काशी नवद्वीप धाम कीजिए श्री राधाकृष्ण गोपा गोपी गोवर्धन द्वारस वनत मकाशी वज मंडल कीजिए श्री रामकुंड गंगा यमुना अटलासी भक्तदेवी कीजिए श्रीमती विंद देवी की श्री पूर्णमासी योग माया कीजिए श्री गोपीश्वर महादेव की श्री जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा सुदर्शन चक्र जी कीजिए क्षेत्र मंदिर कीजिए सर्व विघ्न विनाश के श्री नरसिंहदेव कीजिए भक्त प्रवासी प्रहलाद महाराज कीजिए चार धाम कीजिए चार संप्रदाय कीजिए चार चारक कीजिए अखर मत राज चेतन मात किसी के शिव जी गौर्य मात औतक मत समा के ग्रंथ राज श्रीमद भागवत कीजिए नाम संकीर्तन कीजिए अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद के सामने भक्त वृंद कीजिए श्री नित्य गौर प्रेम हरे हरि बोल
जय जय हरि बोल
Hare Krishna.